1988 American Standard Cadet. New handle was installed to replace the broken handle. New fill valve and new flapper were installed. And tank was cleaned. Fill valve and flapper were a kit from Amazon Basics. Handles from Home Depot. Look how much cleaner the tank is. And the stopper doesn't close prematurely anymore. Toilet's a 3.5 gallon per flush toilet and a 1.6 gallon per flush flapper was installed, which caused it to flush improperly. And caused the flapper to cut off before the flush cycle was complete. So far, this fill valve and flapper are working pretty decently. Oh, and if you want to know the trick for cleaning out toilet tanks that are horribly stained, that's it right there. Squirt it around the tank, let it sit for at least 20 minutes to half an hour, and then scrub and wipe it all down, and you'll end up with a tank that's almost, if not just like new. Same thing with the bowl. Drain the water out of the bowl, squirt that around, let it sit, and it'll take any mineral deposit off. Nope. Job well done.